Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're checking out the DJI OSMO Action Camera. Now this digital camera features two displays. It's waterproof up to 11 meters, features 4K HDR video, 12 megapixel camera with a 145-degree angle lens. Really cool, so you're gonna make sure you get all that action totally covered. Now in the box here you'll see the action camera. Another really great thing about this is it uses the DJI Rocksteady to make sure you're getting really steady looking footage, because hey, it's an action camera, right? So it comes with this carrying case here, which you'll see on the bottom also can connect to different mounts, usually like a helmet mount or a dashboard mount, so you have that. And to access the different ports, you're gonna have to open the case here, but you can obviously turn it on and off by just using it like you see. Also in the box here, let's go ahead and take a look. While I'm getting that open, this camera also will do 8x slow motion, so really cool. And it can handle up to -10 Celsius temperature, so really cold. That it can handle and get great footage no matter what your terrain is. So in the box you see a little getting started guide. Here is the mount I was talking about. That's usually like a dash mount or something. In this little box here we have a battery. So the battery, you're going to take that out and you'll see there's like a gasket around it as well to keep that waterproof, and that will go into the camera. This other piece is another little type of mount. I believe that is for typically like helmets. I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. And then also the attachments for the mounts. Finally, we have our USB cable to charge things up and be able to transfer the different photos if you want to do it through that. So that right there is the DJI OSMO Action Camera. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.